quick command how to create an Angular project. For that, I'm gonna go at my computer, open a development folder, create a new folder. Let's name it new Angular project. I'm here. I'm gonna open this in a terminal. Just type code code space start and it will open the same folder in Visual Studio Code. That's what our default IDE for Angular. And just I'm gonna press Control Del. It opens PowerShell by default. Don't open it. I'm gonna use command prompt and close the PowerShell. Over here, I'm just gonna say ng new. Before that, I'm just gonna check the quick version if I have that installed in my local or not. So yeah, I have ng. I'm gonna say ng new and then project name. Yep, so ng-new will create a new project for you with the name project name. It is asking whether I require routing or not. I'm going to say yes, and then what type of CSS and style sheets I need. So I'm going to say SCSS and press enter. And here you go. Your new project is created and it is downloading the by default packages that it requires, and there will be a node underscore modules folder in here because it's installed all the project dependencies in your local folder. Thank you so much for watching.